I got a giant. I'm going in the food. That's a big one, guys. Oh shit. I'm in trouble. Dude, I think I just caught my 20. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back out here on the river today, and it is absolutely beautiful, guys. I'm actually kind of warm in this jacket, so we're gonna have like a high of almost 60 today, guys, so it's probably gonna be perfect. So pretty much, guys, same as the last few videos, I've got a cool, I need 20 inches or bigger to help me out, so that's gonna be super tough, and that just don't happen every time you're over here, guys. So I'm hoping today is one of those good luck days. I wore my good luck necklace. I'm hoping today it brings me some luck and I can put that 20+ incher in the kayak, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. It helps the channel grow, it helps me, you know, get out here and make these videos regularly. And yeah, I don't know, me and Eric's about to get out here and blast. Give me some knuckles, bro. Anyways, we're gonna get out here, guys. We're gonna start pounding, and hopefully we can make something happen. Let's get it. Fish on. Oh, dude, that feels like that's a strong fish, bro. Oh.
Damn, I was gonna throw right there where you just caught it at too. Probably another one. See if we can get us here a double.
He ain't gonna help me though. Too short. He's short. I'm 100% positive it's not gonna help me. That's not gonna help me. Pretty fish though.
Oh shit.
You got hit, didn't you?
Yeah.
Pretty fish, guys. Super pretty fish, but I know for a fact that's not gonna help me. About a 15, 16 incher.
Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for stopping by. Buy some beer, buddy. It's like never ending, ain't it? Oh.
Oh yeah.
I thought I felt something. I was like, what?
I literally watched your pole. I watched all that action.
He's little, but he was there. I told you we're skipping them down through there. I know we are. Are you hungry? You got one.
Oh no!
Ah!
Oh no!
Your drag's too loose, bro.
My bad.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Little one, guys.
Oh, that was a good one, dude.
We gotta get out of here, dude. We're about to get messed up. Oh, dude, I got a nice one. Pretty good. I don't know if he's gonna help me. He's not. Right behind you too, you know it? Not a bad fish though, at all. That's a fat smallmouth, guys. That's how you want them shaped right there. Just caught that one, guys. Nice little fish. I'm gonna go ahead and get her back. She's bleeding a little bit. Just got her in the roof of her mouth. That was a little chunk. It was way short, but super fat. Super nice fish right there. There we go. Put that one right up on the bank. Not very big. Look at the color of that one. It's almost pink. Right in the trees. There it is. That's a good one. That's a good one. I don't know if it's gonna go 20 though. Right. Too long. I don't think so. Nope, 17 inches. 17, guys. Pretty good fish though. Super quality fish. 17. Fat little chick. It's gonna be hard to catch that 20. Every time I catch one, I'm just like, please be 20 inches. Actually, a 19 will work. It wouldn't help me a whole bunch, but it would cool. My smallest is an 18.25, so a 19 would definitely work. You got you one? Woo! He's pumped up. Feels good. Don't lose it. We're finding you a place to butt up against. Oh God. Oh God. I got a giant. And I'm going in the trees. That's a big one, guys. Oh shit. I'm in trouble. Stay on there. I got it all the way up. It's about to come off. Oh! We just doubled up, dude. I think I just caught my 20. Oh my God. That was yeah, dude. Yeah, for sure. Big, pretty big. Over 3 pounds. We just doubled up, guys. Hey, we just doubled up, bro. That's a 20-incher all day. It's got to be close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the shoulders on that fish. Wow. 20-incher, guys. That's gonna cool. That's gonna put me up there. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that. Look at that. 20-inch smallmouth. That right there is a beautiful citation bass right there. She is thick. I think I'm gonna get a weight on her. 3.9. $3.9. 3 pounds, 9 ounces, guys. All right, I'm gonna get her back in the water. I've had her out long enough. I put her in the water a few times though, gave her a drink, so she'll kick off like a champ. Watch. Gone. Yep, this is turning out to be a rather long trip, guys. It seems like that water up through there was super slow. It was either that or the wind kind of blowing against us, but it definitely took us longer to get to this point than it normally does. Just hoping we ain't out here forever today. We're gonna have a decent time. Oh! Look at that, boy! Oh my! He got my net rig. He broke my line. Guess I better retie. A little bitty guy, but he fought pretty hard. You got one? It's turning out to be a good day. I wanted to fish this, but I want to see this fish he's got. I guess he said it's pretty big, so we're gonna find out. Oh, that's a PB. That's 20 inches probably.
Look at that fish, dude.
That is a chunk, bro.
Bro, look, she's, oh my God, we got to get a weight on her.
We will.
Look how fat, dude.
Get her on there and get that picture so that's done and out of the way. Just be very careful. 18.75 is what she is. She's right under 19.
Oh, did you hold the weight on it?
Yeah. It beeps. You hear it beep. Look at the picture. You'll see what she weighs.
No. 3-4, son?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's,
How's that feel?
God, dude. Oh my God. Nowhere. I'm shook right now. Oh my God. Give me some, dude. Let's go.
That was awesome, bro. Good
Oh
job.
my God.
All right, guys, we're starting to run out of time, and we're still pretty far up this river. Good little ways. And it is 3:30. So we've maybe got 2 hours of daylight left. We've still got a good little hike. So we're gonna paddle. We're gonna paddle through these little stretches where there's just not much here. We're just gonna paddle on down. Till we get to the next little spot that looks good, we're gonna fish it and then paddle some more. I really did not know if it was going to happen, and it happened, so I'm pumped. I could actually catch one more 20 and cool a 19, and I'd be over 100 inches. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We've got to get these kayaks loaded up. We've got to put them. We put his in the Jeep. Mine goes on top of the Jeep. We actually run ratchet straps over it. It works. It works. He's actually getting a trailer, so we'll be able to put these things on the trailer. But this is the worst part of the trip, loading up the kayaks. So we're gonna get this done, boys. We'll see you all on the next one.